Hello and welcome to A Mindful Moment. I'm Justin Epstein, author of the top-selling book Super You and minister of the Unity Center of New York City. Today we're continuing our study of the spiritual classic book by Eckhart Tolle called Power of Now. We're going to look at page 11 today, a couple of paragraphs here. Neither God nor being nor any other word can define or explain the ineffable reality behind the word. So the only important question is whether the word is a help or a hindrance in enabling you to experience that toward which it points. Does it point beyond itself to that transcendental reality? Or does it lend itself too easily to becoming no more than an idea in your head that you believe in, a mental idol? Some very good ideas there. What word do you use to convey to yourself that transcendent presence beyond the word? That's the real question, isn't it? Are you using a word that's comfortable for you? I think maybe a lot of people are uncomfortable with the word God now because they have an image of what that's about. And it's an uncomfortable image, one they don't believe in. But recognize it's not the word God. God is just three letters, G-O-D. It's the image, the understanding of the word that we have. So Tolle here is recommending that we have a word that works for us. So he's suggesting the word being, or another word that conveys to us a reality that we can experience. Not just some loaded word with concepts in it, and we just believe in those concepts, what he calls a mental idol. In the Ten Commandments, it says, man shall not worship graven images, right? And have no idols before me, no other gods. So a concept is different than the actual experience that the concept should be pointing us to, the word should point us to. So he goes on, the word being explains nothing, but nor does God. Being, however, because they're both words, we give the word meaning. Being, however, has the advantage that it is an open concept. It does not reduce the infinite invisible to a finite entity. It is impossible to form a mental image of it. Nobody can claim exclusive possession of being. It is your very essence, and it is immediately accessible to you as the feeling of your own presence. The realization, I am, that is prior to I am this or I am that. So it is only a small step from the word being to the experience of being. I like that. The word being doesn't conjure up these concepts that have been passed down through the ages. As far as we know, no one has a word being for this infinite presence that no one has the word being with limited ideas that are saying, this is the only truth, this is the only meaning of what the God is. No. Being is a word that's free of all of that. So we are imparting understanding of being as this presence that's underneath all form, everywhere. So it might be a good word for you to use, for me to use, being. And it's not a new word. It's been used in the past. I like the idea of being me. Being, the infinite presence, expressing in and as me, being me. like the wave, the ocean expressing as the wave. You and I are being expressing as us. We're the ocean of spirit expressing as us. See, that's another way to look at this. Being you. Being me. He says it is your very essence and it is immediately accessible to you. So it's our own being that we experience, our true nature, rather than I'm a lawyer, I'm dumb, I'm smart, I'm an athlete, I'm a man, I'm a woman, I'm white, I'm black, I'm whatever. All these, I am this, I am that. No, I am. I am. I am being. This presence is me. It's very deep stuff here we're talking about. And next time we're going to talk about what's the greatest obstacle that interferes with this experience of being. So thanks for watching and listening today, and I'll see you again next time for another mindful moment. See you next time. Thank you for joining me for a mindful moment. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more mindful moments as they go live. Click above for a list of previous mindful moments to enjoy on your own time anytime.